My name is Edgardo. I am from America. I found Hair of Istanbul online on Instagram. My hair was not completely out, but I've been losing some hair, a little light on the corners, and just saw a lot of great stories of guys who came here and got their hair done. So I got on a plane, came to Istanbul, and everything's been great. The procedure was fast, easy, painless. The team here has been amazing. It's really taken care of me from the airport all the way to procedure day and now heading home. So really happy, ready to start recovery, and it's been great. I would say if anyone's thinking about getting the procedure done, Hair of Istanbul does a really good job of making you feel comfortable from the moment you get here. They walk you through everything. You're never alone. Just throughout the whole process, you really feel their support. So there's nothing to be afraid of, and I'd say if you're looking for a quality clinic that's gonna take care of you inside and outside of the facility, Hair of Istanbul is a place to go. I love my new hairline. My hairline currently looks great. I'm excited to see what it looks like a year from now, but this is something I've been thinking about for a long time, so I jumped right in, and I'm already very happy with what it looks like.